In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove textures in Roblox. First, you want to open up Roblox Studios on your computer if you don't have it installed. Download it from the official Roblox website. Then open up your game or project in the Roblox Studios. Select the game or project you want to work on. Click Create New or Open to open your existing game. Then in the Explorer panel, locate the part or object that has the texture you want to remove. This could be a decal, texture, or any surface property. Then you want to remove the decal or texture. If you're dealing with a decal in the Explorer panel, select the part that has the decal. Look for the decal object under the part, right-click on the decal and select Delete to remove it from the part. If you're working on a texture, select the part with the texture in the Properties panel, find the Texture ID property, delete the ID URL or file path in the field to remove the texture. Once you've removed the texture, click File on the top left corner of the Roblox Studio, then select Save or Publish to save your changes. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.